Hi there, I'm Caroline from the Certifier team. In today's video, we're going to quickly cover how to connect Certifier to virtually any other app using Pipedream, which is a low-code platform that allows you to automate workflows. For the purposes of this tutorial, we're going to set up a simple automation that would generate certificates based on new Google Forms responses. First, you need the Certifier account. If you haven't done it already, just visit certifier.io and press on Sign up for free to register. After you do that, you will land on the Certifier dashboard, which looks like this. Now for Pipedream, just enter pipedream.com and press on Sign up. After you finish this process, you will land on the Pipedream dashboard, which looks like this. Now we can get started. Just press on New Workflow button, and please note that each workflow must be a part of the project, so if you haven't created any projects yet, you just need to give it a name here and continue. Then continue to create a workflow. And here we are. As you can see, every Pipedream workflow starts with a trigger step, which we will choose in a minute, and then runs through one or more action steps. Now let's start configuring the trigger step. As I mentioned, we'll be using Google Forms, but of course, feel free to browse through all the apps that Pipedream offers you to integrate with Certifier right here or on their page. Let's go back to Workflow and find Google Forms. Now for the trigger event. Let's say that I'm managing courses, and after someone finishes a course, they receive a survey in Google Forms, which looks like this. At the end, I'm collecting their name and email so I can issue the certificates for them. My goal is to make sure that every time a new person leaves a new form response, they will automatically receive a certificate of the course completion. Hence, in Pipedream, let's choose New Form Answer. Then we'll need to select the account that we want to use for this integration or connect a new one. You can do it right here. I already connected my account, so I will select it. And then we'll need to select the form that we want to use. Now, to select the form, we will need its ID. To get it, we'll just need to go to the Google form as an editor, and then take a look at the link. This part right here is the Google Forms ID. Let's copy it and paste it right here. After we do that, we can save and continue. To finish the process of setting up the trigger, we need to run a test to see if Pipedream catches it as an event. Let me go back to my Google Forms and submit a sample response. As you can see, a sample response was submitted, so let's go back to Workflow and let's check if that worked. Just press on Try Now to force Pipedream to look for new responses. If that worked correctly, you should see a notification saying one new event. The result of a successful test should also contain the text responses to your questions, which will look just like this. Now, it may look a little overwhelming if you are not too familiar with JSON, but no need to worry. You can find all the details after unfolding the fields such as answers, and then text answers and answers. After that, it's pretty straightforward. You can check all those fields just like this. If everything looks correct to you, press on Continue. And now we are in the action step. First, we need to find Certifier and select it. Then we need the action event. For the action event, Certifier supports two pre-built actions: to issue credential or create a group. As you can see, there's also a couple of more advanced options, but if you are looking for more customizable integrations, I would recommend booking a demo with one of our integration experts right here on our website under Book a Demo. They will be able to discuss all your integration needs and even discuss custom integrations if needed. So let's go back to our workflow. And as we are building a simple integration, let's select Issue Credential. Then we'll need to connect our Certifier account. Just press here, and as you can see, we'll need access token. So let's go to Certifier to get that. Just visit your Certifier dashboard and go to Integrations, then Get Access Token, and then press on Generate Access Token. Give it a distinctive name, and press on Continue. Now, please keep in mind that for security reasons, Certifier shows you your access token just once. So copy and paste it straight after you generated it, and if you ever want to reuse it, please save it in a secure location. Now, after you have the token, let's go back to our workflow and paste it to the access token field and save. Now that our account is connected, we just need to finish setting up the action step. First, select the group that you want to issue the credentials for. If you haven't created a group already, you can do it by going to your Certifier dashboard and going to the Groups tab, then pressing on Create New Group. Once you finish the process, let's go back to Workflow. I already created my group, so I will be selecting it right here. And now I need to map the corresponding data from my Google Forms. We'll start with recipient's name. Click here and unfold the values for answers to find the field corresponding to the recipient's name. After you find it, you just need to click on it to select it. And then do the same for email. Again, after you find it, just click on it to select it. Then we need to select whether we'd like to automatically issue the credentials after this workflow is triggered, or create drafts so we can later accept and issue them on our Certifier account. I'm selecting True because I want full automation. And same goes for emailing. I want the credentials to be automatically sent to my recipients after they are issued, so I'm selecting True as well. Then you'll be able to fill all the data for the custom attributes that you may have used in your design. However, I haven't used those in this particular group, so I'm leaving them empty for now. And lastly, when it comes to the dates, we're going to leave those empty as well. The issue date will be filled by the day the workflow is triggered, and the empty expire date means that my credentials will simply not expire. Of course, if you want to, you can map any values from the form's response, just like we did with the recipient name and email. After that, we can finish the process of setting up the action by running a test right here. Alright, it says that the credential was successfully created, so let's check that in Certifier. Just visit the Credentials tab, and here it is, our test credential. Also, we choose to automatically send the emails, so let's check that as well. And here it is, your recipients can view the certificate right away by clicking on the View Credential button, and then share it in just a few seconds using one of those buttons. Now, since I'm happy with the test, we can go back to our workflow and click on Deploy. And just like that, our workflow is now live and it will run on every new response. You should now be able to create your own integrations in just a few minutes. If you need some more inspiration, please check out our integration site where you can find some handy templates for the most common integrations. If you have any questions, just send them over to us via chat right here and we will get back to you as soon as possible. And lastly, for more complex or technical questions, please feel free to book a demo with one of our experts that will answer all your integrations related questions on a short 45-minute call. Thank you so much for your attention and I hope you have a great day.